Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jean, and today we're going to do part 2 of our rosettes that we made with our Sizzix score and trim board. Today I'm going to show you different ways to decorate them and things you can do with them. Of course, obviously, you can, let me move some of that aside. If you have a whole bunch of, this is what we made in the last video, which I'll link below. But you can make a whole bunch of different sizes and then kind of glue them all around in different positions and make yourself a backdrop out of it for like a party or whatever. And of course, you can string them and make banners out of them, say for birthday parties or whatever, you know. But today we're just focusing more on what to do with the center. And there's a lot of different things. You can just leave it if you want. You don't really have to do a thing with the center. You can go ahead and stamp on it, which I'm not going to do today, any stamping. And then there's a lot of different embellishments you can put on. And I have a few things out here I thought I would show you. The first thing, you do not have to keep it within this circle. You can put any size on you want. In fact, if I want to put on yet another rosette, I will put on another rosette. You can stack them as much as you want. But I pulled out this. Let's see which way it goes. And you can put something like that on in the center. We'll just kind of glue that on, just so you can see what it looks like. Now, of course, these big ones you're going to use more for like decorations for different events, maybe weddings or parties or, you know, whatever. It's not something you can use in your craft. This size, you know, you can use in different craft things. I would go a little bit smaller than this if you want to put it on like a card or something, because this size ended up coming out like 3 inches. So it's a little large. You're not saying you can't do it. You can do whatever you want. There's like, and you can put, it can be square, it can be whatever you want. So there's just a little something for that. And then let's see what we have for these. Oh, and you can take your silk flowers and you can just put a flower in the middle too. There's lots of different things you can do. This is just a quick little video on decorating. So you got something like that. And I like to make sure my flower is bigger. I like my flower bigger than the center. I like it to kind of really show. You can put like silk flowers, anything, you know, like that in the middle. How about just regular stickers? We can take like just a regular sticker. I'm just trying to see what I want to use. Don't worry about, I didn't make any other ones. These are the ones we made. Some of these colors I would not use, but we're just using these ones. I didn't want to make more because I have no place to use these for. I just stuck with these. So I'm just going to pull up a sticker. Easier said than done. Some of these stickers. Okay, and I don't want this little stem part. The stem, I'm just going to cut that off. I'll keep the little leaves down there, but the little stem I'll just cut off. And you can put stickers in the middle. So just whatever you have on hand, look through. How about some of these I won't glue on because I only have 3 left, so we'll just show you. Pretend these are like red, white, and blue. So if you have some like stars like this, you can make something for 4th of July. So you have something like that. Okay, and you have this is a plastic flower, an embellishment. You can put something like that. That one's quite pretty on there. Put that on there. Okay, I won't leave that on because I got only 3 samples to show you here. How about, here we go for like a baby shower. This is an embellishment, a flat back made out of resin. I believe it's a resin one. How about something like that? Let's see what that looks like on. Just put that in the middle. It doesn't have to be round. That'd be cute for like a baby shower. Of course, your rosette would be a whole different color. That's so cute. How about, let's see, I have let's go with, oh, these things. These I did in one of my hauls I showed you. They're for like your Crocs, your shoes. They have this little thing on. You know, you can pop that right. Some of them are easier to pull off than others. Let's see if I can just pull it off. Otherwise, some of them will pull off. And if it doesn't pull all the way off, I got it about halfway. You know, I don't have the best strength sometimes, but I got it almost all the way. There we go. They'll just pop right off, and then you have a flat back. So then, how about for birthday parties? Wouldn't that be cute? Make the rosette in the person's favorite color and string them up. And then you can maybe hang them in their bedroom after the party. Be really cute. You can put magnets on the back and hang them on your fridge. Your bulletin board, if you have one of the metal ones. My front door is metal, so I could put it there. Okay. Then I have like these 3D flowers. That's what we have in here. How about I put a really big one on? Let's grab this out. See, these are all, you can see that they're 3D dimensional. Here, so they got a couple different layers to them. Let's take a big one. Let's take this one. I think I got these. I don't even know where I got these. Maybe, I wonder if I got these at Dollar Tree. Nope, I would say Paper Studio is Hobby Lobby, right? So you can put like something like that in the middle. Anything. Okay, we're going to take this one back off for a minute because we're going to put this bunny on this one. I'm going to show you that it's sticky, so it may just stick for us. Show you that it can be bigger than let's put some glue down. It's not going to stick because we're going to put a straw on the back of this one. So hopefully it'll stay. And then I just have a straw. They're paper straws. I have a lot of them in my stash because I make, what are those things called? I had it in my head. Oh, it'll come to me. And then just flatten one end. Okay. And we're just going to glue that onto the back. And we're going to hold, you can use super glue here, of course. Hot glue. You can use super glue. I'm just going to hold this for a second. I don't, need it to stick the best. You can see all these different ways. You can put a ribbon on it. Okay, I'm going to see that should hold. So now you have like, if you cut it down, you have some like a cake topper or, little giveaways like for the kids' parties. You can put them in their bags and stuff. Or how about, I wonder if I have a wide ribbon close by. This one should do. You can go ahead and make like a ribbon. Like if you're like I used to do when my daughter was young, I would have like pool parties and I did some game things with the kids in the summer, like little carnival things. Of course, that one has tape on it, but we're going to try to ignore that. Okay. And then you can go ahead and cut up as big as you want. We're going to make our own award ribbons. Now, I would iron this before I put it on. Do I have all these glued on? Okay, we can use it. Let's do another one. Kind of like they use in the county fairs. And then you can just kind of put it, and we'll just glue it to the back like that. I will just kind of hold it for now. Or not. I'll just set it down. It worked better setting it down. And now you have If you have like a school teacher, this would be really good for. You know, like a school teacher, she can make these and hand them out to, like, you know, the winner of the spelling bee or the winner, you know what I mean? She get a little, you know, student of the, how about student of the month and stuff like that. So you can, and they're so easy to, these are so easy to make. I'll link the video that we made these in and everything. There's so many different things you can do with the rosettes after you make them. And you can make them, I made the 3-inch all the way up to, I think this came out over about 13 inches. This one ended up being. And then I did the 3 layers on it. And they are like, it's really funny how when you put these together, how stiff they are. And they're very, very hard, almost like a really heavy cardboard. You know, you can't, like, I can't even, like, I'm trying to bend it. And I can't bend it. Like, I'm really forcing that to bend. There is just a few things. Go through your stash, do stickers. Like I said, you can stamp on them. You can put any of this kind of different embellishments that are in your stash. Fake flowers look really nice. That would be really good for a wedding. Get the flower to match that there and put that in the reception area, or like I said, just even simple, like, you know, the baby showers and stuff. All right, guys, so that's just a quick little video just showing the different ways you can decorate your rosettes after you make them. Put this big one back in here so you can see how big that is. And like I said, you can make a whole bunch of different sizes, and you can make a backdrop as big as you need, and which would be nice for pictures at an event, you know, different things like that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll link the video of where we made this in the description. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.